Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can collaborate in real time with Google Sheets. So if you're looking to collaborate on Google Sheets with your team in real time, in this video, I'm going to show you all the tools you need to work together seamlessly. First, sharing your Google Sheets with your team. So this is how you can do it. You can just open your Google Sheets and tap on this share button at the top, and in the sharing window in here you can just add the email addresses for specific people, and here you can set the permissions as viewer, commenter or editor, and after that you can just tap on send. Or you can also just click on this general access and change it with anyone with the link, and it will so anyone who has this link can open the file or can only view the file. Now comes the fun part, working together in real time. So you and your team can make edits at the same time, and Google Sheets will keep tracks of who's doing what. So when someone edits the sheets, their name or profile picture will appear next to the cells. So when they click on this one, the photo will be appear. You can see live updates instantly even as you are working. So this is good for brainstorming, planning, or tracking progress as a team. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a comment if you got any question, and don't forget to like, subscribe and click on thanks. Bye.